Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name's Brianna and this is Beach Babe Beauty. So today I am very excited to finally have my Beachly Winter 2020 box. It took a while because I moved and it got lost and I had to get a new one and it was a whole rigmarole, but they were fantastic about it. So I still want to talk about the winter box and I think that it's a good box and I'm excited about what's inside. So let us get started. Here's the box right here. Comes in this big box and it says vitamin C for your soul. Yes, a little bit what we all need right now. So I'm gonna open her up. And I will also note that Beachly has no idea I'm doing this. It's not sponsored, not an ad, just something that I found that I really like and I'm excited about. So we've got just a little sneaky peeky at what's for the winter box. And I've got all the information here to tell you about what we've got. So first, what I'm very excited about is the Beach Riot Pullover. And it says, I'm oversized, like me. So this, I did get my box in a 2XL just because I usually wear about an extra large, but I like things to be oversized. And a lot of times these brands tend to be a little bit undersized. So I'm going to open this. Now, sometimes they do have stuff that is made for the box. I'm not sure if this one is particularly made for the box or if you can get it somewhere else. But here she is. I'm going to hold it up in front of me. It says, what does it say? Beach Riot Beach Club. And it's nice and oversized. It looks super comfy. I like the color. It's got a palm tree. Like, good vibes. Good vibes. It's really cute. I like it. This is very, very nice. I feel like this is probably made for the box, but I'm not sure. Let's take a look at what it says in here. Okay, so this retails for $75. Also, just so you know, the Beachly boxes are $100 monthly. So not monthly, but $100 for each box if you pay them individually. They are seasonal, so fall, winter, spring, summer. If you pay it as an annual, it's a little bit cheaper. But I just do the monthly just because I can't commit. So our new Comfy Cozy goes with everything pullover for the season, featuring palm graphic detailing, French terry fabric, and the perfect shade of surf spray color. We love it. It has an oversized fit to keep you warm all winter long. Want it to fit more snug? Throw it in the wash. That's good to know because I don't want it to fit more snug, so I'm definitely gonna have to wash this on cold. But it's really cute. It's got a nice little graphic. Comfy, cozy, good for the winter time. Definitely will get a lot of use out of this. So next up we have the Hanalei Kukui Body Lotion, which sounds just scrumptious. So I already have some stuff from Hanalei that I had gotten in actually a box I won from House of Mana Up, which is a really nice store in Hawaii. This is a Hawaiian brand. I really like Hanalei and they have some really great stuff. This lotion, let's pull her out of here. This retails for $25. That's actually a really good price, honestly, for this big giant thing of body lotion, and their stuff's really nice, so definitely worth it. Let's just see. This uses pure Hawaiian kukui oil, which relieves dryness and helps restore hydration with essential fatty acids. The aloe vera delivers antioxidants, enzymes, and vitamins A and C while having anti-inflammatory properties to soothe the skin. So this box is obviously all about winter, comfort, warm, hydrating, you know, all those kinds of things, and I am here for it. Let's give this a sniff because we gotta smell everything. I mean, come on, who doesn't? I'm gonna, you know what? I'm actually just gonna put some on. I love supporting any Hawaiian brands and like small companies and stuff like that, just because they always have really cool stuff. I got it on my shirt. Okay, so I'm just gonna put some of this on. It smells good. It's not really like, it is kukui nut, which is just, you know, a nut, so it's oil. So it doesn't have like super strong smell to it, but it's pretty. It smells really good. Once I started rubbing it in, it smelled more potent, but it smells really good actually. Let me put a little bit more. My hands are so dry, y'all. Like, my body rejects winter like nobody's business. So I'm just gonna put some on my hands. This feels really nice. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. It's very hydrating. I can feel it makes my skin look real nice. So I say 10 out of 10 for that. I can't wait to use it. Moving on. So next I will do, let's see. This is the Sea Salt Surf Candle. I love me a candle. I love candles. It's like, for me, if you ever need to get me a gift, a candle or a blanket, and we are just like, you're my favorite person. So anyway, this is a candle. The company is Broken Top Candle Company. I've never heard of them before, but I love the packaging. It's really simple, but it has like the little monstera leaves, which is really pretty. Let's see. So this has the Sea Salt Surf scent. Say that 10 times fast. Flaunts notes of jasmine followed by sweet cream and a hint of driftwood. Top seller in Hawaii and tropical states. This scent creates a memory of the warm, salty air, sweet adult drinks, and beach thoughts. That sounds just fantastic. So let's give her a sniff. Oh my god. I just want to bathe in this. Like, it smells so good. Oh, yum. It's also gluten-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, and vegan, which is nice. Oh, it smells really good. This retails for $15, which honestly is not, it's about what candles retail for. Unless you're going to Bath & Body Works, and then you can get a big one, but definitely worth it. This is totally like, I tend to go for these kinds of scents, even with like perfume, but that smells delicious. Love it. Okay, so next we've got the Tropics cosmetic pouch from Magnolia. I love this company. Cannot say their name for my life. I have a couple things from them. Now I can't get this open because I have lotion on my hands. This is super cute. Oh, alright, so this is just like a little cosmetics pouch. And I believe it is pronounced Magi. Like, not Magi, Magi. I don't actually know. But I love their brand. I have a couple of their bikinis. And I have some tops and stuff from them. Oh, but look at this pattern. It's so cute. And look at the inside. Look how cute the inside of that is. It's really lightweight and it folds over, which is really great for traveling. And this is super cute. I'm obsessed. So, she cute. We like her. This retails for $36. On their little thing here, it says the extra was that the inside has a different pattern, which was designed specifically for Beachly members, which is cool. Love this. Totally gonna use it. You can never have enough little bags, even just to keep like makeup or travel stuff, or even just like your like feminine products in your purse, or whatever you want to keep in here. Pens and pencils, who cares? It's awesome. I love it. Totally worth it. And last but certainly not least, we're gonna flip the page. So this is the front page here. We have the Maison du Soir set. It is a Luxe robe and the matching Luxe sleep mask, which I have seen pictures of this and it looks so dang cute. Ooh, it's soft. It's so soft and squishy. Like, I have a lot of eye masks, but this is nice. I'm not gonna put it on because I will destroy it with my makeup, but you can see it at least. I will hold it up close for you. It's real thin and squishy, but I like the pattern and it seems like it'd be really comfortable. And then we have the robe, which I am like praying to the plus size lords of this sucker fits, because I have had a time getting robes that fit me. I wear about a 14 extra large. You'd think no, they don't make stuff for people my size. So I am hoping that this fits because it is real pretty. Like, look at the color on that. And you could totally wear this as like a kimono, I think. But that's something else. Look at that. That is real pretty. Like, I just want to be on a hotel balcony in Hawaii on the beach wearing this and like living my best life and eating like a buffet of fruit. Like, that's all I want in my life right now. But how pretty is that? So you can see it's short sleeves and it's thin, but I mean, it's cute. Like, I really like it. I'll totally wear this. The retail price for the robe is $125 and for the mask is $30. I just want to peek at the details here. See if it says, yeah, it's says about layering it over denim as a kimono, which should be super cute. So if I can't wear this as a robe like that 𝘗𝘐𝘕𝘌𝘚, then I totally wear it as a kimono. So, you know, but I do love the idea of the matching style. Like, this is super cute. It's probably not anything crazy. Yeah, it's polyester. That's okay though. It's not silk. It's not super fancy. But, you know, honestly, if this retails for $125, I've already made my money just in this. So, anywho, I don't have a calculator, so I could tell you how much it would add up to, but it's definitely worth it. I love everything. I'm particularly, I think, excited about, honestly, the candle is probably my favorite thing. I do love the robe and the eye mask, and I love the sweatshirt. I'll definitely get a lot of use out of that. Funny story is that I actually purchased my original Beachly box because there was a sweater in there in collaboration with 𝘔𝘌𝘕𝘋, who is another blogger and artist, and she's amazing. If you've never heard of her, please go follow her. She is my favorite. But she did a sweater collab, and it's so cute, and I wish I had it with me. I don't have it right now, but it's like a nude colored, and it has tropical vibes with like a little palm tree on it, and it's the cutest thing ever. So I couldn't get that other than through the Beachly box, so I decided to try it, and I was not disappointed. I got that and a bunch of other stuff that I really liked, so, you know, totally worth it. I like this box even better, honestly, than the first one. I think I will definitely get a lot of use out of all of this, and I'm really excited about it. So if you like this video, you like the unboxings, you want to see more, let me know. I've had other boxes in the past, like BoxyCharm, that I have stopped at this particular moment, but I'm considering going and doing that again. But I do get the Beachly boxes, and if you want to see more, please let me know. I think definitely worth checking out. I will put a link in the description to show you where you can get this box. There's also a market where you can purchase these individual items if you're interested in one of those. And I believe they said that the spring box will be starting to ship in March. So we'll get a little while until then, but I'm excited to see what is coming out for that. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, share with your friends, whatever you need to do to get the word out for me. I really appreciate it because I'm so excited to be here with all of you guys and sharing all of this with you. So, and also don't forget to ring the notification bell if you really do like my videos and you want to see them as soon as I upload them. That is great for me too. So anything that you want from me and you want to see from me, let me know. And on that note, we'll see you soon. Bye.